Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Surprise. So after 3 days strained in winner unboxing. I think I have to open up the plastic. Not in a rush. Cut it open. Not in a rush. Okay, so I just came back home and this is waiting for me. It has my name on it. I kind of forgot what it is, but I may still know. I am guessing what it is. And this is a winner unboxing. I am guessing. It is a winner unboxing. Yeah. Oh my. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Wow. I think this is artificial leather. Wow. They call it apricot color. Wow, look at it. Oh, I will do it. An outfit of the day. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this story of this pair of shoes. So the other day I received an email and they say they can send me this. Oh, I better not to have this. So easier this way. They can send me a pair of shoes, and I ask if there is any payment. There is no payment, but they can let me choose 2 pair of shoes. There is no harm to choose 2 pair of shoes. So I give them my size and everything, and before I realize it's already shipped out so quicker than I expected. And we arrived home after stuck in the snow, and just arrived home, and it's already waiting for us. I am so happy. This is below the knee, a little bit below the knee. I will wear it so that, and the color is apricot. You can let it go from. Wow, this looks so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. And to my surprise, they have another pair that running out of supply. So they sent me this one on 23rd of December. I think we were not at home. So when I came here, I was quite surprised. Anyway, I said, you can do unboxing when they arrive. I say, it doesn't matter. I can do 2 outfit of the day. I can do 2 unboxing. You can have extra time. Doesn't hurt. Anyway, let's do an outfit of the day with it. This is Rose and Remy. I think the price, I will put the link under the description. This one is should be not yet $100, and it's less expensive, this particular brand, and you can check the link under the description of this video and find all the informations. And now I am doing an what should I choose to wear? That is a question. I like it because it's not too tall. I do not wear high heel shoes. I am too good for high heel shoes. No, I'm too old for high heel shoes. I just make my life comfortable, make myself comfortable is my goal of life. Okay, see you later, alligator. I am going to wear it. There is a little bit of rain, and they have something like fluffy inside, and I have chosen the non-fluffy inside. It feels quite soft, You can bend it. See the whole body. I think this is the whole body, right? Put it down a little bit, maybe more cool. I think. This might be more